Welcome to this Now You Know video, where we'll walk through using our GPA and course completion rate calculators. Let's get started by going to Academics and Academic Support. Choose Support Services. In the Advising Services section, let's get started by clicking on Calculating Your GPA. Calculating your GPA during the semester can give you a general sense of your overall success. And our first calculator allows you to enter the grades that you anticipate earning. For example, in the fall semester of your freshman year, if you earned a 2.4 and completed 15 credit hours, you can earn grades that you're anticipating in the spring semester to find out what your overall GPA will look like. So for example, if you're currently earning an A in your 3-credit sociology class, a B in your 3-credit statistics class, a C in your 3-credit music class, and a B in your 4-credit lab biology course, your spring grades will be a 3.0 or a B average. That, together with your fall GPA of a 2.4 and 15 credits, will make your freshman year GPA at the end of that year a 2.68. So that gives you a sense of where you'll be at based on the grades and the credits that you're currently taking. If you feel you could do better and perhaps you could move that C in your music class to an A, you can recalculate and you can see that your spring GPA then moves to a 3.46 and your overall GPA moves to a 2.89. The next GPA calculator is a target calculator. This can help you set a goal for yourself and see what you need to do to reach that goal. So for example, if your current GPA is a 2.4 and your fall semester credits were 15 and your goal GPA is a 3.0 and you're currently in 15 credits, to reach your goal, your next 15 credits must be a 3.6 or an AB average. The final GPA calculator is a course repeat calculator. So for example, if your current GPA from fall semester was a 1.9, perhaps your first semester of college didn't go as well as you'd hoped, and your current credit hours are 15, and you want to repeat 3 credits where you earned a D, and now you're hoping to replace that D with an A, your GPA will go from a 1.9 to a 2.5, which is a wonderful improvement. If you want more help with this, an academic advisor in the Warrior Success Center is always here to help you calculate your current GPA and to help set goals for improving your GPA down the road. Let's flip over to calculate your completion rate and review that quickly. In addition to GPA, students must maintain a cumulative completion rate of at least 67%. To calculate this, you simply take the credits you have earned cumulatively, for example, 25, divided by the credits that you've attempted, again, cumulative of 30, for example, and 25 divided by 30 is 83%. This is above the 67% you would need, for example. Again, if you ever want help calculating your completion rate, feel free to schedule an appointment with somebody in the Warrior Success Center. An advisor's always here to help you. Now you've learned a little bit more about calculating your GPA and using the completion rate calculators online. If you ever have questions, like I've said, schedule an appointment. We're here to help. And now you know.